Hi there and welcome to this first tutorial on using the NCEF templates for 2020. So we've developed two new PowerPoint templates, one for use in the classroom and one for use online. So when you get them in your email, just save them into a folder that you know where they are. So let's take a quick look at those. So you have this one, which is the NCEF Classroom 2020. And as you can see, you have the UL logo, the NCEF logo, and then our partners and reps and Europe Active and all of that. So that's that one. And the second one then is the online one. Now the difference with the online one is that there's no NCEF logo on it. And the reason for that is that the NCEF logo is on the player that we're going to use online. So I'll just give you a look at that now. So here's a screenshot of the online player that the PowerPoints will eventually end up in and become an online lesson. So as you can see, your slides will be here in the middle, and we'll have each of the slides then will form a menu. You'll have a player on the bottom, previous and next slides, but I suppose the logo will be here on the top left. So if we have another logo on the slides, it would look kind of stupid. So we'll keep it that the slides for online won't have the logo because the logo will be on the online player. Okay, so let's take a look at using the templates. And it doesn't matter which template it is, the process is the very same. So the two different scenarios that you might be using a template for are starting off with a blank slide, or the second one might be that you already have slides from last year and they have a different background, etc., and you're going to convert them to the template. So starting off with the blank one, you come up to your design tab. And on design tab it gives you the usual PowerPoint, different types of backgrounds, etc. But what we're going to do is just click on this little drop down here on the very bottom right of the design tabs and come over here to where it says browse for themes. So you click on browse for theme and you navigate to where you have the templates that you've saved. So for this one I'm just going to choose the new NCEF Online 2020 and click apply. So as you can see, it's automatically applied itself to the blank slides. Now, in addition to that, we have it also installed on the different layouts. So if I'm at home here and I go to layout and I go to just say the title and content, you can see that it's on that. Or if I go to a different layout, say the to content, it's on that. So whichever type of layout you choose to use, the template will fall into that. So in this example, I'm just using some of my slides from the Anatomy and Physiology module from last year. And as you can see, we have the old template on that. Now, in order to replace this template, I just follow the same pattern as I did for the blank one. So I go up to the Design tab, click on it, and then click on the little drop-down menu, Browse for Themes, and just go to wherever you have the actual template saved, and this time I'm going to use the classroom one and apply. So as you can see, it's pretty painless. Most of the slides have fitted in. There may be little instances where you might just have to move down just a little bit, but most of them in general have fitted in. So that's it. That's a very quick tutorial on inserting the slide templates.